We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Live, as you know, thumbnail and on the title is risk versus reward. That's it. What am I going to talk about today? What's up, Justin? Excited for another fire lesson. I appreciate you, Justin. Alfredo, same here. This is my third live. Always room to learn. As always, Alfredo. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, risk versus reward. And what am I going to talk about today? First, I'm going to talk about it on the blackboard. And then I'm going to move it over to the charts on TradingView and show you. We are live right now on Instagram and X. Guys, I'm going to end this live very fast. Move over to YouTube. Day Trade Professor, let's do it. So, risk versus reward. This might be the most simplest breakdown class that I'm about to do right now. So pay attention to this. Risk. How much you're willing to lose. Are we in agreement? Are we in agreement with that? That off the bat, trading is straight. How much you're willing to lose. What comes first? Let's see who knows their stuff. What comes first? Do me a favor. Go on your phone. Go to my X. See how it looks. That way, remember what I told you about the cutoff thing?
Yeah.
See how that looks. Day Trade Prof. There's going to be like 7 fake accounts of me. So it's only one F. The same one that you see on the bottom right here. Day Trade Prof. Hello, hello. What's up with all the hellos? Good to see everybody. Hello. Hello. We are live. We are always live. Miss Rojas. Why the hearts, Miss Rojas? Mar, hi. The only person I want hearts from is Miss Garcia. Mar, what's up, Mariana? Good to see you. Yo, Mariana is a good friend. Every time Mariana DMs me, she goes, Professor, I'm buying your books for gifts for my friends. Professor, I'm buying gifts from your friends. So I love it. So let's go back to this. Risk versus reward. Are we in agreement that you have to be willing to lose something? No, we're not stargazer, paid debts. We're not talking about that. It's straight a trading conversation. How does it look?
Not that great.
Go ahead, fix it.
Yeah.
So look at your phone. Here. Look at your phone.
I'll guide myself.
Yeah, and guide yourself. Remember the way I showed you with your thumb. Looking sharp, Professor. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Guys, stop the highs. Hi. Let's get into the lesson, man. I'm started already. It's like when you're in class and you enter class and people just keep saying hi. Luke is finally back. Luke, where you been? I missed you in the chat, Luke. I missed you. I hope I see you in November. I hope I see you in May class, Luke. $60 stop loss. Stop it, Carmen, with the $60 stop loss. Okay, why is no one answering my damn question?
They're just like on their own.
Everybody's doing their own thing. Guys, can we answer my question for God's sakes? Pretty please. Pretty please. With no cherries on top. People saying we are live. We're getting into it.
They're excited to be here.
No, I'm excited they're here, but I need my questions answered.
No, I know, that's so funny. They're just like...
Forgot people. Sorry, Professor, I missed you too. I'm not asking if you miss me. I said, where you been? No free chicken in trading and investing. Always some degree of risk. There you go. Fixed it?
Yes.
How does it look? Let me see.
Yes, looks better.
Much better.
Yeah.
You have to lose to gain something. Okay, 100%. Reward. What is the reward?
Someone said, what's the question?
Because they pull up late to class. That's why. Reward, the amount you will make if it goes in your favor. Agree or disagree? Flood the chat. Hello, I'm new to trading. If you can answer one question for me, it would be, when in profit, do you lie or... Bro, Jesus Christ. Miami delivers 24/7. He's going to... See, I'm being nice. If you weren't here, I would have blocked him. Miami, I'm teaching a lesson. I'm not going to go and answer your question, Papi. I'm teaching a lesson. You're going to distract me to tangents. No tangents. Willing to lose and make money again? Yes. What's up, fam? Agree. Let me get a flood of agrees. Let me get a flood. That's right. If Miss Rojas, 100%. Agree. Hi, Miami. See, there you go, Miami. Welcome. Don't distract me. I'm teaching a lesson. If you want questions answered, either wait to the end of the lesson or go to the secret Instagram. Sorry, you're not a mentorship student. Become a mentorship student. Speaking of which, I will be in Mexico in June. So I'm going to have to remind you every week because people don't listen. What do you want me to tell you? People don't listen. I will not be live for 3 months on YouTube. The lives are moving over to Instagram. I won't be in the studio for 3 months. I'll be out of the country for my Mexico mentorship. So please, I have to say this multiple times for the next, I think there's only like 8 classes left and I'm out of here. Agree. Risk, time, and money, reward, time back, and knowledge when it comes. What do I mean by this word? What do I mean by if? Let's go, flood the chat. What do I mean by if? By the way, no more discounts on books. No more discounts on books, unless you're a mentorship student. Those are officially ending. That's a wrap. Because people have been doing 2 things. Number 1, constantly asking for the new discount code. So we're done with that. Number 2, it's too big of a loss for me that you get too much value in the amount of discounts I'm giving away. So that's a wrap on the discounts. Probability, uncertainty. Now we're answering questions. If, because the trade can turn on you, hit sell. What's up, Raj? If your trade goes in your favor, the money. What's up, Rox? Rox has been doing very well trading just from the free course. She sent me a message. Shout out to you, Roxy, and that damn dog of yours in the back seat. But Roxy's been doing well. The money's not yours till you just hit sell. Roxy, I love it.
Just hit sell.
None of this is yours. There is no reward at all until you just... You know what the best thing I like about Moxie? She's new to me. Moxie, the one with the damn dog in the back. I'm sorry, Roxy. She's new and she already has common sense. See what I'm saying? She already knows. Some people take 4 years to figure out that I keep trying to say.
Just hit sell. Just hit sell. Just hit sell. Just hit sell.
What is my strategy?
Just hit sell.
How do I make money?
Just hit sell.
How do I not have subscription services and I'm able to teach one time, like free you, and you don't have to pay me because...
Just hit sell.
How do I talk like this?
Just hit sell.
How do I have an assistant that lives in my house?
Just hit sell.
How do I have a driver?
Just hit sell.
How do I travel 6 months out of the year?
Just hit sell.
How do my students make money?
Just hit sell.
Why is that complicated, man? Why is it that Roxy's the only one that has the common sense to say these things? Why? Thank you, Professor. You're welcome, Rox. Listen, get that damn dog out of the back seat, girl. I'm messing with you. Smash the like. Appreciate you, defectors. Just hit sell. Moxie, you missed me. I was thinking about you, Moxie. What's up, girl? What's up? Where you been, Moxie? I haven't seen you in a long time. She won a free video call. I don't know if you remember. She won a free video call. She was the one with the very sweet voice. I gave her the book for free because she was so nice. Your memory's not, yeah. Well, that was one of them. She's very sweet. Yeah, she lives, yeah. I think she was a teacher or something. I think she's a teacher. Just hit sell if it goes in your favor and if it goes against your favor. Hey, Professor, just hit sell. What's up, Samir? In my dreams and nightmares. You know what's funny? Let me tell you a story. I'm not going to tell you the full story. I had a dream about a stock, TSLL. Okay? I had a dream about TSLL. I can't tell you what the dream is because, unfortunately, no matter what I say, you guys are going to do it, and I can't have you do that. Yeah, Moxie goes, yep, she's the one. So I had a dream about TSLL, right? This is before it pumped. This is before it pumped up. I was telling my students about it since the $6. So a lot of my students are in it in the 6s. Thing is, I think 10, 11, I don't even know. So point being, I had a dream about it when it was in the 6s. I can't tell you the dream. I told her the dream, but I can't tell you because it's crazy what I did in that dream to buy lots and lots of TSLL in the dream. You know what I'm talking about, right? Remember the dream? Yeah. So I can't tell you it because I can't have you people doing those things, what I did in the dream. It was not good what I did. It was, well, it's extreme risk what I did, but it would have paid out. It would have paid out. It's a blue chip, right? So yeah. So that is the key. That is the key. And that's it. So now what I'm going to talk about is, I'm going to show you the charts. By the way, I keep forgetting to. Jesus Christ. Take a chill pill.
Change the color.
Sacre bleu. No, not that. Here we go. Towards the end of the live, before I read the Quran, I want to do this. I keep forgetting to do this. I haven't done this in a long time. I like doing this. Guys, if she forgets, remind me in the chat. Thanks for TSLO stock. You told us. I appreciate it. Shammy, you got it, baby. Well, I don't know if you're a boy or girl, but baby applies to everybody. Esther started an OnlyFans. Esther? Who's Esther? No idea who that is. Okay. Now, let's go for it. Madam, can I get some water, please? Now, let's move over to the charts. Where's the mug? Is the mug over there? Okay. Now, pay attention. Let it load. By the way, a couple days ago on my story, Sunday, I posted my levels for MES1 exclamation point. Flood the chat, hands up. How many of you looked at my levels, saw that my levels worked out, made some money on it, and if you didn't, that's fine, but you analyzed my levels. Flood the chat. It's okay. It is what it is. Professor, oh, you meant to say professor started it. Luke, I didn't do that. That's degeneracy.
What?
No. And don't say that. I don't know. That's degeneracy, Luke. Don't say the names of degenerate things. What's up, Tony? Good to see you back.
You haven't ended the live.
What live are we ending? Instagram, move over to YouTube. I'm ending this live. Bye. And save it, please. Tony saw the levels. Robin. Hey, Robin. Robin just signed up for the mentorship. Can't wait to see you, Robin. Robin, DM me. You bringing your son? You bringing your son? What we talked about in the video call? George made a little bit. Thank you for those levels. You're welcome, Tony. You know I love you, my brother. The level worked. The levels worked. I didn't check the video of Monday. I'll check it out if you... No, it's gone. Bro, I said stories, Shammy. Stories. Stories. I posted my levels on Sunday. They played out on Monday. Isa made some. Wait, she doesn't want to be called Isa. What does she want to be called? Remember my mentorship student?
Isanya? That's her like full name.
What does she want to be called? She didn't...
But I don't know, like the...
I think she wanted to be called Isa.
Maybe, I don't know.
He's going in September. Your son is coming to the mentorship. Cool. And it's free for you now. So you pull up for free to September and you just bring your son. I love it. I looked at yours. We're on point. Now my question to you is, I got two questions. How were I able to tell you levels at 11 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday and they played out 24 hours prior? Flood the chat on that first question. What's up? What's up? TSLL all day under SL. I not only analyzed your levels, Professor, used them and made a little bit. Let's go, Isa. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. You know, it's so funny. That story gets thousands of views. Thousands and thousands of people watch that story. I wonder how many people made money on it. I wonder. Did you save the Instagram live?
I just heard it. I don't know why you say save. It's share.
You know what I mean. When I say save, of course I mean share. Same thing. When you save on Instagram, you're sharing. Same thing.
No, but sharing sounds right.
Multiple time frames, XP points. Because you're the man, stop it, Sal. Yes, Professor, you can call me Isa. Yes, Isa. XP points, multiple. No! Yeah, XP points, but I analyze candles, levels, and multiple time frames.
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
How do I make money?
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
What do I do after that?
Just hit sell.
How am I able to live the life that I live? Because I...
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
And then I...
Just hit sell.
For me to be able to not sell monthly subscription services, I have to be very good at...
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
And then I...
Just hit sell.
That's a real. People can make fun of me for this. You want to go for it? Go for it. I'll do it again for you. Tell me when you're ready. At the end of the day, your life could be simplified if you just learn...
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
And then...
Just hit sell.
This is the only way you will make money. Forget these Discords, these Signal chats, subscription services, all these morons on the internet. If you just learn
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
and learn to,
Just hit sell.
you won't need anyone's opinion and beg them like Oliver Twist and this example that you all love so much. Please, sir, can I have some more? Begging people like pathetic humans for a signal when you can learn to do it yourself, because people have perceptions of their own reality and they're wrong 90% of the time anyway. For God's sakes. For God's sakes. For God's sakes. Being honest, I'm saving money to join your mentorship. I might join next year. Let's go, Shami. Prices go up next year, just letting you know. X peak points, candles, multiple time frames, key level. What's up, Peter? My brother from Dubai. Peter, what's the weather in Dubai? Is it like 110 degrees in Dubai right now? Because I know you toasting, but I know you're in the AC. Jess, I need to learn your levels. Well, start with the books, then come to class. Or be like Roxy in the chat. Rox mad with the damn dog in the back. Rox is doing well. Just a free course. Rox is making levels. Making money just from the free course. I don't even know if she has my books. It's amazing how Justice Cell was not part of my trading for Gulp. You've been trading for 14 years? Damn, homie. And that wasn't part of your strategy? Because I know, because these signal discords. Everything just, I can't with the signals. I'm taking a break from, that's it. No, I don't want to talk about them anymore. I'm done. I'm done for like a month. I'll do it in Mexico. Hello, Professor. For that story, I win my first $100. Yo! Secret to the universe. You know how I always am very close to dying in life? Everything I do, I'm very close to the edge. I live life on an edge. That's why I keep not dying. See that? And an unknown, give that money to your mother. The whole 100. The whole 100, give it to your mother. I'm coming in September. Let's go, David. See you in September. When are you doing live trading? Do you make levels in the live? Hell no! Elder, Ocha, Brito. I ain't doing that on a live. I'll do live trading next week. But no. Right? What is cracking, chat? YP, Professor, what does YP mean? Okay. Guys, stop with the highs. Y'all walking in late. Fortune, you're late. All right, back to this. Now that you answered my first question, second question. Pay attention. I'm going into it. This is ticker MES. Please chill with your motorbike riding. I can't, man. I'm not going to lie. I can't. You know what I did today? I don't care. I'll say it on live. So you know how New York, the construction on a regular basis, roads were blocked off, and I wanted to go on the road because everything was diverting to one place, right? Stay with me on this. Don't get upset at me, please, in the comment section, or I'm not going to share stories if you get upset at me. Roads are cut off, and I'm like, shit. Massive construction. So, on the motorcycle. Sidewalks are not cut off, so I just go to the sidewalk. So as I'm going, a whole construction team freezes when they see me. They go, wow! Because there was bulldozers, trap, everything. And they had to stop I said, boys, don't stop the machines. I'll go on the sidewalk. They go, okay! And everyone just continued. And I just went through the sidewalk. So, yeah. We need you around. Just pray for me, make money, and help your mom, and then pray for me. I'll be around. Professor, please let us know if you ever come to Texas. I'm Jesse, my brother. I don't know if you're a boy or girl, because I can't tell. That could be Jessica or something. I am not coming to Texas. You have to come to New York. You have to come to Mexico or Puerto Rico. That's it. It's not happening. I'm telling you right now, Mr. Garcia. Ha ha ha. It's 45 degrees. Damn, it's hot. Damn, it's hot. Huh? Yeah, let me finish the comments. Elder, get the first book. Everything is simplified. Thank you, Game Boy. Do you prefer the new way of making levels that you found out about, or the one I do the same way, Prodigy? Same way. Get a Vespa. Hell no. Yes, come to Texas. I'm not coming to Texas, folks. It is what it is. LOL the story. Correct. All right, let's go. So now, pay attention. This is my levels for today. Pay attention now. Don't get distracted. My levels for today. So my resistance. My support. I have my levels created. Done. Cool. By the way, don't ask the time frames. Not important. This is 9:30. What a horrible 9. May God help us all. EST. I have to now, if I'm going to go long or short, whatever it is, but in this example, we're going to talk about going long, right? I'm doing my analysis. I have my levels. Again, pretend this doesn't exist. You know what? Let's do that. We can actually do that. I need to make this as hyper realistic as possible. So let's do that. Huh. Is it tweaking? Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Are we tweaking right now, folks? Oh, got it. Outstanding. Got it. So now, what do we need to understand here? Pay attention. Let me make this, fix this. Can you go down? Cool. Let's zoom in. So what you need to understand is what? Watch this. I don't know, can you guys see it? You can see it. Now watch this, right? Watch this. The green is your reward, the red is your risk factor. The green has to overtake the red. As long as it stays within the green, you are good. Watch how it plays out. The red is if it gets in there or gets out of that red, your risk, you have to hit sell. Pay attention. As long as it's moving like this, are we listening? Green is your reward, red is your risk. The green has to always be greater than the red. If you allow your red to be greater than the green, then that trade is going to be atrocious. Anywhere in here, you can hit sell. Look at that. Sorry?
Yeah.
Anywhere in the green, you can hit sell. What can you do to maximize your profits and stay longer in the trade? Flood the chat. You have class in Puerto Rico? Yes, Mr. Garcia. Yes, but you have to be a New York mentorship student or a Mexico one to get into Puerto Rico. How did you black out the... It's a setting, Lambo. It's a setting. Read the book. It should be in the book. The settings options, it should be in the book. Yes, Guna. Very good. Trail your profits. Trail your profits. You know what I want to do next week? I like trade next week. You know what I want to do? I'm going to do it different this time. I don't want to hit buy and sell. I want to sit limit and sell orders and just stand here. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I'm going to do next week, live trading. That I have never done that, I believe. I'm going to just set buy and sell limit orders and stand right here. If it wicks me out, it wicks me out. Move your stop loss, take smaller wins. No, forget take smaller wins. What's the ticker? Lewis, MES1. I hit sell 4 times today, my man. Look at multiple time frames. Trail profits, trailing loss. Take some off the table. This is all I mean by risk versus reward. Nothing more. This is not complicated. I know you want to make it complicated. You can move this up. And in this chaos, you have some sense of decency, some order on the charts in front of you. You know what's interesting? When clueless individuals that don't really have an existence on this earth say levels don't work, this is the fascinating thing. And you know what's funny? I posted it on my story on a Sunday morning when all markets are closed except crypto. And those levels played out to the T. This was today. I traded today, right? These are my levels for today. Look at that rejection. And then it just went on its way down, down, down. This is why when people tell you trading doesn't work, you have to understand their life is out of whack. Their life doesn't work and they don't know any better. Many of you try to prove something to people that can't be proven to. For example, as God says in every holy book, I got the Quran here, right? Those he wants to guide, he guides. Those whose hearts are of stone, let them be of stone. He's not going to guide anyone. Who are you to try to help and guide those? Do you see me trying to force my agenda, my strategy down anybody's throat? Did you ever see me try to push my books on anyone's throat? Get it? Don't get it. Don't care. Want to come to my class in a few weeks? Come. Don't care. At the end of the day, all I do is I've mastered 3 things.
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
And then all I do is
Just hit sell.
and I don't worry about what anybody and their mother has to tell me about my strategy. Remember, most of the people that complain about another man's strategy, they're what? Let's say it with me, chat. They're homosexuals. They're just in love with me. They're just in love with the man. That's all it is. They're just homosexual. I don't go that way. I love the gay community. But I just don't go that way. That's all it is. They just have so much love for me that they can't control their hormonal effects. You know, no other man is giving it to them, so I guess they think I'm going to. That's all it is. So, to be straight with you, this is scalp trading. Next, I'm going to show you a swing trade risk to reward. Let's go. That's what I'm going to show you next. And you know what we're going to use? What ticker should I use to talk about it? A swing trade. Let's go. Flood the chat. Flood the chat. Which one should I use? Simple, easy, complicated. The steps never change. Stick with the steps and you profit. Yes. Does trail stop mean babysitting the stock? Nah. You set it and you walk away, rocks. Yes, people that are not profitable, correct. LOL. I made 4 days pay today on MES, took a small loss, but ended the trade green. Good man. TSLL, MNQ, David, I said swing trade. Not MNQ, that's like a scalp. Everybody wants TSLL. You know I got you. I know you want TSLL. Why do you all want TSLL? Why? Tell me in the chat. Why? Flood the chat. Hands up if you're up on money on TSLL because of me. Flood the chat if you are up on money because of me. By the way, the edits for the Puerto Rico mentorship are coming from my team soon. I am so excited to have you guys see the entire Puerto Rico mentorship and all the fun behind the scenes. I am so... How excited are you to watch the edits? I haven't even seen them yet. I've never been more excited to see content. We work so well. You worked really hard on it, and I just went off on you left and right. Me. Salvatore De Fazio. Why you late? Me. Look at all these people making money because of me. Look at that. Look at that. I need to see if my exit level is on point. I'm in money because I'm up. Raj is up. Tequila's up. Lewis is up. Upjohn is up. The power that I use for good. I could be pushing bullshit NFTs, fake crypto coins, and rug pulling everybody. Yeah. But I use my powers for righteousness. I'm a blessed man. I'm a blessed man. I could have thousands of people on this and do what do all the your generation low life traders do? Rug pull meme coins. I could be one of the new generation pathetic humans that rug pull meme coins and get thousands of views on them. But I can't do it. I'm a blessed man for a reason. TSLL moved like you said. I am telling you, I have a very good track record of saying it, and it happens. Up 55%. I'm a blessed man. You're a blessed man. Are the books needed to understand? Yes. Kevin, bro, drop the link for the books, please. The free course is and. The books are much newer, much enhanced, and extremely extremely high quality content. So, yeah. You're a blessing. I try to be. Boom, let's go. Hey, Peter's in the building. By the way, folks, Peter, right there with the nice smile with the suit on, has a very nice position, and is up very nicely on TSLL. I love you, Peter. Again, I hope you come back to May. I miss you. All right, let's do it. Let's do TSLL, risk versus reward. Let's go. By the way, for those that are new, go watch a video. The thumbnail says #1 stock of 2025. Go look at it. So don't ask me right now anything about it. I already made the video on it, so don't do it. All right, let's go. Full screen, come on. Let me see, can you guys see? Yeah, okay, let's expand this even more. All right, pay attention. Now I'm going to do the risk versus reward chart, diagram, whatever, graphic, whatever you want to call it, on TSLL. I'm new to your channel. How can we make levels, candle multiply? Do you have a course or video? Drop the free course. Mr. Vicky Roy, I have a free course. Don't buy anything from me. My assistant just dropped the link right there. Do not spend $1 on anything I'm selling. Use the free course first. Go through the free course. Then get the books. Then come to class. Follow that format, please. Because maybe after you watch the free book. There's no free book. After you watch the free course, you're like, I don't like this guy. Good. Unsubscribe, unfollow him. Go take your life somewhere else. Leave me alone. That's the system I follow. That protects me and my mentorship students. After the 5th edition book, what is the next logical book? Drop the link, please. Just Hit Sell. That's the next one. Professor, I got How to Be a Consistent Trader book right now, but I have a question. I need the 2 book right now to keep going, or can I? No, bro, you got to get the new books. Or can I get to the mentorship? So, unknown, I'm going to take care of you right now. Become a mentorship student. The other books become discounted. For example, this one is free to download on the secret Instagram. This one. So you won't have to pay. So you just save money here. But if you want it, 50% off on both. So sign up for the mentorship and I can just hand it to you in class. I'll hand it to you if you want. You'll get it with your swag bag. I'm a blessed man too. Let's go, Manuel. I always agree with when you say this. Thank you. You should always say you're blessed. Bro, you're breathing. You get to be a trader. You have a broker account where you have money in there to be able to buy your time back. How are you not blessed? Listening to you while I'm working late. I understand, Saul. Watch the language, finance. His screen name is a curse word. He's cursing within the curse. Don't curse. It creates negative energy. Hey, Professor. It's good to see you and hear your voice. Man, looking forward to coming back in May. Chi, let's go. I miss you. Remember Chi?
Yep.
Good to see you. You live in the neighborhood, Chi. Get to class. How do you have so much energy at 8:30? My brother, I've said this many times, Chi, and you know this. I live for this. What did I say to you before I went live and we hit live? What did I say to you?
That you were excited.
Talk a little louder.
That you were excited.
I get excited to do this. 5 years now I've been doing this. I love coming here. Like, this is fun. I get to do this. Come on. I get to get people to make money. I don't care if you don't buy my books, come to my class. I'll be fine. I'll still do this. None of you could come. I'll still do this because it's too much fun. Professor, these days you're not blocking your haters. Why? What haters? There's nobody here to hate. Remember, they're not haters. They have a homosexual relationship with me. They're not haters. They're just in love with me. That's all. I just don't go that way. I'm a Muslim. I can't be that direction. Little late, but good night, Professor. Good night, Ricardo. He said he just got out of bed just to watch class again. Swing trade out to first quarter, Beatrice. This TSLL trade is a trade till first quarter 2026. Okay, it's cool that I will keep going with How to Be Consistent right now because in that you got so much info. I will see each other in class. I'll see you in class. Back to this. Now the ticker is. This is the idea for a swing trade. Pay attention. Sacre bleu. Right here. What do you notice about my risk to reward ratio on TSLL? By the way, swing trade. By the way, for those of you, soon enough, I'll see you in class, unknown. Bro, put a real name, unknown, so I know that I can, look at you here, and I'll see you in class when I see you in class. You know what's funny? Many of you are watching me for so many years. So many years. I'm talking to you, Sal, the ultimate watcher. Not Sal Ragusa, not the other Sal. If you were in the mentorship student, you would have paid much cheaper discount. You could have got in some of the swing trade ideas that I posted. You thought TSLL is good? I got like 10 stocks in there that are performing phenomenally. 10. That could have paid for the mentorship times 100. But some of you just watching and think this is enough when there's so much info in my class or the secret Instagram, but it's okay, Sal. It's okay. I know Eric's not here to say anything, but I just wanted to comment on that. Low risk, high reward. The risk is very minimal. That's what I like to hear. Reward way bigger than risk, correct. The risk is low, extremely low risk. Reward way bigger, reward is bigger. I'm Marshall. Nice to meet you, Marshall. I'm new to the channel. We'll change your name unknown to Marshall and put a picture up. Reward significantly outweighs the risk. Thank you, unknown. See, I like people like that. I say one time and they're going to go get it done. I like it. You got a picture of Goku going instant transmission. That he learned it when he got off of Namek, when Namek exploded. He learned it from them. All right, so risk versus reward right there. Isn't this what you're supposed to do? Isn't this what swing trading is? Isn't this it? Flood the chat. Do I have to wait until September to join? What do you mean? Do I have to wait until September to join the mentorship? No, Kevin. Why would you do that? Sign up now. Sign up now, and you just wait, and then you get put in the secret Instagram. Are you still on the CMOS? Of course. Of course, I have a big bag of it. There is a trade-off there. I've been stopped out for keeping risk too low. Morgan, if it's dropped drastically and you leave some leeway on a swing trade, it's different. Yes, I'm lost. Alright, just start the video from the beginning when this ends. Didn't know you watched anime, Professor. Bro, Dragon Ball Z was my childhood. Come on now. Yes, that's swing trading to the best right there. Yes, Krishna. Hey, my Gujarati brother, Kemcho, my brother, Magamacho. Alright, so now, this is one example. Do me a favor. Flood the chat. Show me a ticker that has not pulled back and is just rocket ship to the moon. The opposite of good risk to reward. Flood the chat. Show me that. This is the best class ever. Jibrail. That's Gabriel in Arabic. So everyone, Christians call the angel Gabriel. We say Jibril. That's God's favorite angel. Like his best angel is Gabriel. Appreciate you, Jibril. When you referenced DBZ, that's how I knew you were meant to be my mentor. How the freak is a cartoon reference connected to? Oh God, Tony, you know I love you. That and damn, homie, in high school you was the man. You guys like my little stupid references more than everything else I bring to the table. This has never made sense to me in the 5 years I've been doing this. People relate everything else but the thing. Hey brother, good question. Do you think XLM buy now? I don't know about now, but I do like XLM. XRP? Oh, PLTR. Oh, OtterBox. Yes, my man, PLTR. I didn't even think of that one, but that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a great example. Sacre bleu. I told y'all about PLTR at the 5-6s, ladies and gentlemen. 5-6s. Hey, great example. All right, let's go full screen on this one. Let's go, PLTR. Professor is like Goku having powers. Stop it, I missed the blessed man. All right, let's go. By the way, if anyone from the gay community is watching, it's not an attack on you. So don't think it's an attack on you. Okay, I have plenty of people that I respect in the gay community. I'm just saying, I don't want to offend anybody because some of the people that I care about are in that community. All I'm trying to say is people that make references and make fun of me are part of that community because they're and secretly in love with me. They wish I could turn on that direction and be with them. I just can't. What's up, Assad? Walaikum Assalam. If you are on the fence regarding this class, just do it. You will make it back and more. You will learn everything you need to know. I took his class in February 2025 and have been consistently proud of him. Chi, I love you, baby. Can you pin that? You know how to do that? Click his message, 3 dots, pin. Chi, I swear to God, you're a blessing. I swear to God, you're a blessing. Hello, Professor. Hey, we got Amarpreet in the chat. She's coming to Australia. Coming to Australia. Sorry, coming to Mexico. What's up, Amarpreet? Afjal, Haram. I know it's Haram. I can't be. Little bit late. Little bit late. I've been live for 40 minutes. Block her. Block her. No, I'm playing. She's a mentorship student, so she's protected. All right, let's talk about this one. This is PLTR. Let's talk about this for a second. By the way, I'm going to be very clear with what I'm about to say because some of you only listen to what you want to listen to and the rest just goes out the window. I think PLTR is a phenomenal company. Phenomenal company. I talked about it when it was $5-6 and I begged and screamed from the rooftops to please everybody buy PLTR. It's going to go to $100. The video, it's on record. Go through the lives. You can find it. So what I'm about to say does not negate that previous statement. Just pay attention. If you bought PLTR in the previous pullback that just happened a couple days ago, and now you're expecting it you bought here, expecting to sell at the record highs here. This is your reward. This is your risk. It hasn't had a major pullback in a long time. Major. Agree or disagree? Not a good swing compared to TSLL. Flood the chat. Flood the chat. I know, Professor. I totally agree with you. Ego got the best of me. I always have respect for you. Sal, I know, bro. I know you respect me. I respect you too. I know your ego. That's why you never came to class, even when it was much cheaper. I think it was like 50% cheaper than it is now. I know. As a man, you're like, I don't want to learn from this man. I could do it all on my own. I know. I'm just letting you know you could have done very well for yourself and more than that. But it's okay. I'm moving to New York after the summer and come to your class. I'll see you in class, Camp Lambo. Amarpreet says, totally agree with Chi. Thank you, Amar. I'll see you in Mexico. Love seeing the February 2025 class present. I love seeing all of you guys too. Agree, 100%. Agree. Big difference. Agree, too much overextension. That's all I have to say to you about risk to reward. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. At the end of the day, you have to decide that you're going to
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
to master it, and then you have to decide if you're going to
Just hit sell.
nothing more, nothing less. Your obsession with trying to catch every move, trying to go to the moon, will be the cause of your downfall. I just want, I'm going to sum up something for you right now. Madam, do me a favor. Can you go on that side, please? And hold this up to right. Actually, I'll do it. Never mind. No worries. Pay attention. By the way, if you want this poster, if you buy... Jesus! Woo! I didn't want to hitting any of these buttons and end the live. God knows what could have happened. If you buy this, you get this poster. But stay with me. At the end of the day, I am not one of those people on the internet that are going to say, you should be making $30,000 a day. Those people live in false realities. I'm the one here to tell you one thing. If you're at up to level 3 and 4, if you are at level, I'll bring it closer. If you're at level 3 and 4, 250 a day, 500 a day. By the way, level 4 is 126,000 a year. You're doing pretty good to yourself. Keep that 9 to 5 that you like. And if you don't like it, different story. But look at how it's possible futures. By the way, just 5 contracts, MES, could get you 500 a day. I'm telling you. You are overcomplicating a system that is simplistic. You are the enemy of the story because you are falling into the trap of these comparison games. Nobody cares what other people are doing. Water your own grass. Stop trying to keep up with your neighbors, the Joneses, people in the... I'm not going to talk about the discourse. See, I stopped myself. This is one of the reasons I hate it, though. You know, a lot of them tell me, Professor, there's an area in the chat that says show off your profits, your gains, right? And when I see everyone putting in for the day, I'm like, how? I took the same signals as them. How did they make it and I didn't? What the freak? So next day they want to go in heavier and heavier and then they lose it all. This comparison game is the problem, but I don't want to talk about it anymore. Do not short BLTR. Do not go against. I can't talk about what they do, man. They do black government projects that I'm not going into. BLTR is why I'm having better trading days and your lessons. I'm glad, Rocks. Yeah, I had my second $50 day, small steps. By the way, you know what's funny about Rocks? She don't have any in the book. She's not a mentorship student, just from the free course. Wow, compounding is powerful. If you only knew. Do I have to be in futures to make that? Yeah, Beatrice. To truly make these numbers with just like $1,000 account and my strategy, just $1,000 in your account, you can make this. Just, whatever. And if you don't believe it, I don't care. I'll take that any day. I just want to win my trades, hit sell, and make some compound residual, yeah. All right, on that note, everyone, answer this. I should see 170 plus people answering this right now. Let's go. No. Okay. Let's go. If you don't answer this, why are you watching? Oh, I don't want to get blocked. Answering one of these will get you blocked? Oh, I don't want to engage. Why are you being such a watcher of your life? Keep watching and keeping that ego and watching your life pass you by. Just answer this. One of these exit lessons. Answer one of these. Complete the sentence. I want to remember what? Something I learned today. Finish the sentence in the chat. Flood it. So bullish BLTR. Just hit sell. I just sold. It's about how you manage the trade. Correct. The only comparison you have in this business is you yesterday, you today. Correct. Thank you, Samir. 1, stick to the plan. I want to remember to stick to the plan. That it is the best to analyze charts. Correct. I want to remember. Just answer one of them, guys. I'll remember that it is best to analyze charts that have low risk. Correct. I believe you. Just finding it hard to set up a new account. That's why, Beatrice, you come to my class. I help you. My assistant helps you. You have private time with me to help you in the class. Keep it in sell. Don't short. Do not short BLTR. Do not go against it. For God, see what I told you? No matter what I say, they hear what they want to say. Do not go against BLTR. I want to remember to use a trailing stop. I want to remember the moon is unrealistic. Correct. Bro, they say we went to the moon in the 60s. We still can't go back? I'm not saying nothing. I'm still confused about filing? Still can't trust them. Filing. I want to remember to hit sell. Just hit sell. I already knew my ego is my downfall. It's okay, sell. I want to remember to look for trade stops. Have good risk to reward. One word to sum up what I learned is reward must be higher than the risk. Correct, Mr. Tony. I believe you, Professor. Don't short but not risk the reward to hold it. Just hit sell. My aha moment. Even a day strategy may not work on a tough market day. 100% Nando. Number one, manage my risk. I like that. I'm still confused about how to make levels. Come to class, elder. I want to remember and do hit sell. Something I already learned, do not short PLTR. Thank you. I'm still confused about the swing trade and why my wife won't let me come to Mexico for the class. LOL, working on it. Alfredo. No, I don't want to say this. But if your wife is not letting you enhance your learning to make more money, that means you haven't proved it to your wife that this is worth it. That's all I got to say. I have my assistant here. She's a woman. If you were married with a husband and why would you not let him, listen to what she's about to say. Why would you not let your husband come and learn trading and stuff? If you're a wife, go. What would stop you?
If he's wasting money and wasting time instead of spending it with me.
Boom.
So if it's...
Woman's currency, she just said it.
Yeah.
A woman's currency, Alfredo, is time. If you can show her that money that you make trading consistently, can buy her stuff and buy her time with you, for you to take her out. Listen very carefully, bro. Women is so easy, but we just get dramatic and overcomplicated. Women are so easy. Listen to them the first time, not when they repeat themselves 7 times. The first time, listen to them. Acknowledge that you've listened to them. That's something I have to work on. Acknowledge that, okay, I heard you. Buy them flowers on a monthly and take them out to eat here and there and get them dessert. And do not talk about the price of anything. I don't know what anything costs anyway. Get to that point, and then your wife will let you. It's that simple. Because your spouse, bro, you know what's crazy? I have a mentorship student named Ulysses. His wife bought him the books. His wife bought him the mentorship. His wife is about to pay for Mexico. His wife. Look at the difference between you, Alfredo, and your wife, and my other student, Ulysses, who owns a construction company, a big construction company. They don't have time to disappear. His wife spoke to me. It's a surprise. I ruined the surprise. I don't care. Oh my God, listen to them. The first time, not the 7th time, when they have to keep repeating. You already know, Miss Rojas. I know what women want. I know what women want. Are you listening to me, Alfredo? This man his family owns a massive construction company, and his wife's like, husband, my husband, I will take business responsibilities. Go to professor's class in New York. He came. I will take care of 7 days. Go to Mexico with him. This is what you want. This is your happiness. I see how much it makes you. Go. So if you're letting your wife stop you, you're doing something wrong to not satisfy her wants and needs. That's my thing right there. That's my thing right there. All right, you already know. Quran time. Let's go. I'm going to pick a random. Oh, by the way, I will be live on Friday. Stock market analysis. Next Tuesday, there is no live. I have to keep announcing these things. You have to remind me because they're all going to be like, where are you? And flood the DMs. Next Tuesday, the first Tuesday of every month, I do private classes on the secret Instagram. I record them and I save them for them in the secret Instagram. So I won't be live next Tuesday. First Tuesday of every month, like clockwork. If you want to know what the lesson is, a new way of making levels and a new time frame to analyze. I'm doing two classes in one next week. A brand new time frame to analyze that I've never spoken about other than Puerto Rico mentorship, and a new way of making levels. Boom. All right, let's go. Random chapter 16, the bees, on Nahal, verse 14. And he is the one who has subjected the sea, so from it you may eat tender seafood and extract ornaments to wear. And you see the ships plowing their way through it, so you may seek his bounty and give thanks to him. I like this quote. I like that quote. In everything you see, there's blessings. For example, you are with me right now and you found me. You have been taken out of a mindset of you need to depend on signals from other people to make money. You are in a new realm, a new class, a new reality. You're blessed to find this, where there's a man standing in front of you. You have a direct access and question to him every Tuesday, Friday. Every Tuesday, Friday. There is no paywall. You can learn something new and interact with the person in front of you. You don't have to go through some Instagram story, a video, or anything. I am here. This is live. This is not an AI, not yet. We're not there yet. By the way, I did pay an AI company to make me AI. I have been made AI, but they can't master my voice. Remember?
Yeah.
They haven't mastered my voice yet. Eventually, some of these lives will become AI. I'm just telling the truth. I don't have to lie. A day will come where these lives will be AI. But I will still go live myself sometimes. But there will be some lives where I will be AI. I already paid a company. They just can't figure out my voice. I have a very unique New York type of talking, right? So they can't do that yet. So wake up every day and say you're blessed, because you are. Some of you are some brats. I'm going to be straight. You're brats. You are ungrateful humans. You wake up every day in good health, have food in the fridge, have someone that loves you or cares for you. It could be mom, dad, sister, brother, wife, girlfriend, I don't care. And you take that for granted. Forget those relationships. The ultimate relationship, I can't talk. Why can't? I'm boiling. Well, the hour is about to end. Don't point at turning on the AC. This blazer is thick as hell. The ultimate ungrateful act you do is you don't talk to the Almighty on a regular basis. The man, sorry, he's not a man, my bad. He gave you access to everything that you have. And you only come to him when things go bad. When the trade goes against you, God, please help me. Everything you have is because of him. I'll see you on Friday. May peace be upon you all. Good night, everybody.